Right then guys, here I am. This is the moment of truth. I've got my power cable. Plug it in the back. So we now should have power. I didn't turn the switch off. Okay, here we go. It seems to be working. There's no smoke, which is a good thing. And it's pretty silent. I haven't got my exhaust fan going. In fact, I haven't got any of my fans going. There we go, that's better. That's why it's quiet. So, let's turn both of them down. On the fan control on the front. So, what I'll do is I'll see if I... What I'll do is I'll plug my monitor in and see what's going on. See what I've got appearing.